Okay, another fresh arrival, Victory Honda of Plymouth. 2020 Honda Pilot EX all-wheel drive, silver in color, gray interior. Factory Honda running boards were added to this vehicle by the dealer, by us. This car was bought here brand new back in 2020. Customer's been driving it ever since. Well maintained, very nice car. The interior smells clean, looks clean, it is clean. I don't think anybody ever sat in the back seat. I'll show you here in a minute when we look on the inside. The EX model, it's got alloy wheels, it's got privacy glass in the rear. Lots of good features. Comes with both keys, books, Carfax report, all the history. We know it all. It was bought here and serviced here. This car is ready to go with only 53,000 miles on it. Third row seat, V6 engine, lots of cool stuff. Let me show you the inside. Comes with both keys. It's got remote start. Pop this open here, show you the inside. Power seat there. That seat is nice and clean. Take a look at that. Take a look at the back there. You got the third row all the way in the back. Let me show you. 53,662 miles on it. Infotainment center, shifter. You got both keys right there. This car is going to be Honda certified. Go through the inspection, 182 points. We check it over from front to back, side to side, top to bottom. Make sure that the brakes, the fluids, the filters, everything is up to Honda specification. Gets backed with a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty from Honda. Good at any Honda dealership in the United States. As always, when you buy a pre-owned vehicle from us, you get 6 oil changes and 6 tire rotations. We call it 2 years worth of maintenance. Give us a call today, Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out. This could be yours today. Thank you.